Welcome back to part 2 of our Tactical Tuesday with the Stellaris Let's Play of the Lilorobius Multitude. We just timed out of
Construction
the war.
project concluded.
Hush you. We just timed out of the war with the annoying cabbage head tentacle plants and are now in the midst of rebuilding our fleets. We still don't have these two systems back. They have at least 10k
System
forces.
survey concluded.
Let's see if we can turn that down a little bit. There we go. Okay. Let's get right back into it. So we need to figure out how we want to do this. I'm busy taking more of this. We've got one starbase because we lost this. It's not worth putting here. In fact, I'm considering destroying this planet altogether. It's an okay planet. It's not great. And it's still got unrest. Busy rebuilding the other fleet up here. That's pretty much taking all of our mineral resources right now. Where are our science ships? Which one are you? You're over here. Let's go ahead and take care of that. Science. Where are you? You really need to come start surveying over here. That way we get this stuff in here. Technologically, we are working on gates. Bumping up our fleet limit so we can get as big a fleet on this border as possible. Building tech for better fighters. I don't think they're going to be much of a threat. But we do still have a fleet on their border. I know they're going to want to push back in, but we just are in no position to do that. We just want to hold this. The whole idea was to hold this so we would have all of this connected. But they had to push in and start a war in the middle of our other war with the what is their name? I keep getting it wrong. They are the Haidari. We're trying to help our allies take care of the Haidari. 10 years expired and they immediately shoved a huge fleet to try and take some of this back. In the process, they cut us off from our territory down here. So we need to take this, because that's our key system for all of this. Pump that all the way out.
Construction project concluded.
We are working. I believe we've already got it. Yeah, we have Citadel Tech. I'm just waiting. I'm not going to bother with Citadels until we have. Let's see how close we are. Until we have an Ascension perk so we can build the big guns. Of course, we can't do that until we have the engineering tech for
System
Titan.
survey concluded.
So for right now, that's kind of a moot point anyway. I still want this. That is going to be a good planet. We're going to take all of this, and then we're going to come back and fill these 3 in. Probably 1, 2, 3. Might as well upgrade these just while we're waiting.
Research concluded.
Kind of want to build that. Physics. What do we have in? We do have quite a bit of money, not a ton. Yeah, let's go ahead. Something just expired. 33 months. 53 months.
Construction project concluded.
That's what we want. We need the bigger guns. Wardrobes. Okay, so this planet might be bitchy again. Oh no, it's not on that planet.
Construction project concluded.
All right. No? Okay. Oh, because that's in a sector. Like, why can't I find... I gotta go back and look at what was being built. $8K. We're taking that back. The only question I have right now is, do I destroy this colony? I don't know. I'm tired of the unrest. It's taking forever to turn them into food. It's an okay planet, but what I think I'm gonna do, let's see if there's some place I can resettle you.
Construction project concluded. Construction project concluded.
There is not. That fleet is at full strength.
Fleet enhancement supplied.
You know what? Oh, that's that fleet. That's why. Let's take a look at that. We have 2 corvettes. Let's put 1 more destroyer. We are going to add a support cruiser and a battleship. So let's go ahead and do that.
Construction project concluded. Construction project concluded.
For this, we're going to add a battleship. 1 cruiser, 2 destroyers, let's go back over here a little bit, shall we? Let's go ahead and do that as well.
Construction project concluded.
What is this? This is... Not sure why it's being weird about
Construction project concluded.
Right.
Construction project concluded.
Start building all of this out. Sorry, guy, but it looks like you have to be sacrificed for the greater good. Let's wait till this runs out and see what happens. If they get pissy, we're going to blow the planet up.
Construction project concluded.
Alright, so this is almost 6K. Hopefully we have ships en route somewhere.
System survey concluded. Construction project concluded. Construction project concluded.
Little by little. Let those build themselves up.
Receiving transmission. System survey concluded.
Of course. We will be friends with you. What are you? You are a fungus, so you're another plant. A lot of plants around here. So plants against the lizards. More lizards.
Construction project concluded.
And then our dreaded enemies, the tentacle cabbage
Construction
heads.
project concluded. Construction project concluded.
Okay, that'll at least get that one started. Slowly inch our way out that way.
Construction project concluded. System survey concluded.
Let's see if there's any energy. No, that's right, we've got the food-based. We still need one cruiser. Sorry. Okay, that cruiser up there must have been for that.
System survey concluded.
We're not going to build another cruiser. Because we don't have the money. Production targets is 240. Yeah, we're going to upgrade that one.
Fleet enhancement supplied.
You know what I should have done with that? Should have used it to build that other cruiser that we need over here.
Fleet enhancement supplied.
We still need a battleship.
Construction project concluded.
We'll come back for those, because that's more important, so we can get a colony ship out there. Then we'll come back out through here. We'll even skip this one.
Construction project concluded.
We'll skip that. We'll set that one up, go up here, go down
Construction
here,
project
go here.
concluded.
We won't even, well, yeah, I guess we will do all of these, and then we'll start going back out this way. I just want to be able to take that planet. I'd like to take that, but probably piss them off even more. They're not too happy with us as it is. Patrol drones are still active. You're almost done.
Construction project concluded.
Let's go ahead and get that cruiser. And then you will go over here. This is... not sure what we can build special on trade planets. Doesn't have work. You don't have work. We can't have that. How are you on your own food? Not good. Let's fix that. Yeah, might as well. Probably don't really need it, but... go to. Alright. Gonna hold off on that for the moment. We will go ahead and finish that.
System survey concluded. System survey concluded.
Earth is not in a very good place. They have mining drones right next to them. The only system they can move to. And even if they were to expand there, the militant twits down here would kick them out. Say you're too close to us. So they're screwed in all directions right now. So that's that one.
Construction project concluded.
Good. You're done there. Let us colonize you from whatever that planet is. What planet is that? Glumporg. That's what I thought. Glumporg, that's what we need.
Construction project concluded.
Going to put you... That may be the best place.
Construction project concluded. System survey concluded.
Let's go and take that one. That one's actually a nice one. I'm not too worried about this right now. Let's talk to our robot buddies. Still too far away to get a good defensive pact. suppose we could go back to sensor wings. No. Okay, let's pause this for a second. They're equivalent across the board. They're equivalent across the board. I don't want to deal with them pushing into our space. Just because. Especially since their fleet. It's about 7,000, but it's way down here. It's not even anywhere in position to start a war. I'm just going to let that go for now. If they want to declare war, they can. Because I know as soon as I get involved again up there, I'm going to have to deal with this. We still need a battleship, don't we?
Construction project concluded.
Capacity overload, which means we're getting a whole +4 energy now. Which is why these are going to be more important. And that's going to go down as soon as we start colonizing this planet. So if there's anywhere we can throw more energy, we need to do it. Oh, looks like it's all going to be about taking systems that are energy based. Because we don't have anything else planet based that can do that. So we will continue. At least we're in the positive. Of course, the instant we move a fleet, we're not going to be. Hopefully, they'll still.
Construction project concluded.
Do we have? Oh, it disappeared before I could pause. We just have non-aggression. We don't have defensive. How's this fleet doing? That fleet could, but more importantly, I want this fleet. Then as soon as we get it, because I believe that's the last ship for that fleet. Gee, what a surprise, they're going to ask us again. No. That is going to have to wait. We will decide what we're going to do, which is probably the same thing. Just wait and hope they declare war so we can stay busy down here. We'll take that colony next. We'll fill in the energy systems as much as we can in here, and we will get the fleet up there down here. We will get this fleet down here. We'll decide whether we want to blow this planet to bits. And by then, it'll be 10 years, they'll close their borders and declare war on us, especially if we decide to help with this, which we're probably not going to. But since we are out of time, that is going to have to wait till the next episode when we push further into, hopefully, the territory of the evil purple cabbage head fanatic tentacly plants that give the rest of us plants a bad name. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, hit subscribe. And hit that little bell icon to get notifications of all our future content. But for now, as for me, I am done, and we are out of here. We will see you in the next one.